What's up, Ninja Nerds? In this video today, we just wanted to give you guys some appreciation and some thanks for all the love and support that you guys are consistently providing to us here at Ninja Nerd Lectures. Every single day, we read you guys' comments in YouTube, these emails from Facebook messages, Instagram, everything. And we're always just so grateful for this platform that we have to spread education. And what we wanted to do is to give back in a way and have more of this community interaction. So we have this idea that we're going to do what's called Ninja Nerd Fan Mail Friday. Every Friday, we'll take handwritten letters. If you guys could send it to us, we'll give you guys the address to send it to. And we're going to read these letters out and just say thanks to the people who are constantly supporting us and constantly just giving us this ambition to keep driving and becoming the best we can be for all of you. So if you guys are interested in sending us a handwritten letter, you guys can send it to this address above. And what I would like you guys to do is in that letter, if you guys can, is just kind of say what your name is, where you're from, maybe what profession you're in, what you're studying, and then just leave us a message. Anything of how maybe we've impacted your lives, maybe in some way that we've helped you guys to get through this particular aspect of your academic career, whatever it might be. And just so we can give a shout out to you guys and that nice community interaction, because we're so thankful for all of you. We wouldn't be where we are if it wasn't for you. So we just want to give back. And if we could do this, we'll try to do this every Friday, hopefully, if we get mail starting next Friday. So Ninja Nerds, we love you, we thank you, and I can't wait to hear from you. All right, Ninja Nerds, as always, until next time.